So today I will show you that application how to see it. We build the job and so we ran the job also, right? But the console output, we will see the console output today. Sign in console, sign into the console and EC2 and EC2 instances running. So I want to launch to the Jenkins server. So as of now, no guys. So we can go to the Tomcat. Tomcat. Tomcat is running or not? Let's check. Private, public IP. So what is this, guys? HTTP. What is the public IP, guys? 44. Yeah, 44.8080. Yeah, connecting to the server. Maybe Tomcat is not running. Need to start the Tomcat. Jenkins also, right, guys? Jenkins servers we need. Jenkins is started, right? Let me, yeah, instances. Jenkins 44. This is also 44. Huh? Yeah, guys. One second. I am connecting to the Tomcat server. Need to start the Tomcat. Yeah, public DNS. Yeah, through the putty we can connect the server. Appearance, change settings, bold, 18. So go to the auth credentials, public private key. I am connecting. Accept. Login as a EC2-user. Yeah, guys. Sudo su then cd opt where Tomcat is installed, guys. Tomcat bin, right? Bin folder. Let's check. So startup dot sh. Yeah, now let's check. Yeah, what is the username, guys? Tech world with Hari. The password is es hyphen f pipe grep hyphen a Tomcat. Yeah, Tomcat is started. Let's start. Hyphen TLP pipe grep Tomcat. Yeah, guys, so what is the job? Yesterday we build and deploy the job. So build and deploy the job. Go to this job. Go to this job. Why, guys? Wait. Tomcat. Tomcat also started. So check the cd dot ls cd web apps. Yeah, the web apps there is a web data app. Web data app, right? So guys, if you check it, why it is not showing, guys? Is it correct IP address? The instances. Yeah, this is the one, right? Tomcat server. The IP address is it's wrong, guys. HTTP colon double slash colon 8080. Yeah. So we deployed the job, right? So now, yeah, last build 24 hours ago, last stable build. So last success build 23 hours ago, last completed 23 hours ago. So for example, if you check this, click here. You see, guys, go to the manager app. It is asking the password, right? So what is the password? Deployer. Yeah, we'll show you guys, no worries. Deployer. So one second, guys. What is the password? We put Jenkins, Jenkins installation, Marvin installation, Jenkins job. So deployer is here, but deploy Jenkins simple Docker first Marvin build Docker Tomcat server installation, right? We need a Tomcat installation. Yes, Tomcat installations. Yeah. So here Tomcat. So I'm giving as a Tomcat, right? Tomcat, Tomcat, I think. Tomcat. What is the password, guys? Tomcat. Password as a password I gave. Password. Yeah, guys. So we'll show you. We'll show you that password. No worries. Yeah. So here the build console output. If you go to the console output, yeah, meanwhile I will log into the Tomcat server. Login as a EC2 iPhone user. Sudo su. Yeah, yeah, guys. So our file cd tomcat conf tomcat.exe.cd opt tomcat conf here what is that tomcat users.xml cat tomcat users.xml. So what we put, so the username is tomcat, password also tomcat, right? The username is tomcat, password also tomcat. Yes, right, guys? So yeah, so the build output is something like building the workspace here, a var lib Jenkins workspace, building a build and admin job. This is your workspace, and then cloning the repository from here, fetching the repository. This is okay. So yeah, go to this Jenkins and the plugins for the booting. So for the building the job, guys, Maven project, clean Maven project, so Maven installer, pom.xml. So it will build the var r jar, guys. You see, guys. So target server jar, it will be using this web app user, and finally, so it will create the var, guys, where var lib Jenkins workspace build job web app target web app dot jar web app target, so web app dot jar. So let's see. So where the so where our file is created, our file is created in this location, build and deploy job. So in the Jenkins, right? Cd ls cd. So this is not a term. So what this is, guys? ls yes hyphen pipe grep hyphen I tomcat. Yeah. So this is the server. Cd, go to the build job. Cd var lib cd Jenkins 251 251. Both are same, guys. Both are same. Tomcat, right? Yeah. So this is the Tomcat server, guys. Both are the Tomcat servers. Yeah, we need to. Yeah, it will created the file, guys. You guys can go to the target. Here it will success. So yeah. So then, it will deploy it on the Tomcat server, right? It will deploy. Guys, mute yourself. So whatever the var file build, right? It automatically deploy into the Tomcat server. So how you can deploy into the Tomcat server? It automatically copy the file from here to here. So now, so we already copied in the Tomcat jar, right? So go to the web app, just last. So there is a web app, right? In the manager app, web app. You see, the web page is deployed automatically. So build, the artifact is build and deployed the job. Deployed the job. So where we configured, right? In the build and job. The build and job dashboard, go to the dashboard. You see, so this is the, before we just installed the Tomcat. Now application is deployed and the Tomcat web apps folder. If you just click web app, it automatically shows the a new user registration for the DevOps learning. So this is the deployment. This is the website deployed on, automatically deployed by using CI/CD. Guys, got it? By using CI/CD, it will deploy the application.